How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I know how you feel as a business owner. You're tired of paying monthly for lead scraping tools that may not give you the results we want. Well, we're going to check out one today that is dominating the competition. So let's check out Lead Sniper right now and see how this works.
All right, guys, how's it going? And we're back talking about another Google Maps scraper. As you know, there's tons of these on the internet. That's the latest thing for scraping leads is Google Maps. So this is Bardeen, and you can extract leads from Google Maps to Google Sheets, and you can try out Bardeen right there. Now, some of you might be saying, well, how does this work? Well, this automatic scraper scrapes data like business names, contact information from Google Maps to Google Sheets, streamlining market research. It has your inputs and your outputs. You have specified goals for lead data, e.g. restaurants in New York City, and you can target Google Sheets document and tab for output. Outputs lead data from Google Maps in Google Sheets, and you can watch a tutorial of it right here if you want. And I mean, this all sounds great in theory, and it automatically extracts leads from Google Maps, the data, all that stuff, directly saves it to a Google Sheet. You guys know the drill, maybe don't. And it does have a workflow that simplifies the process in gathering and organizing leads, information, making it invaluable tools for sales and marketing professionals, which is interesting. You can try it out for free. And is it efficient? It says here that it is quite efficient at scraping. It's a powerful technique for businesses and marketers. And you can do manual data extraction, Google Maps data scraping, Google Maps to Google Sheets, that kind of thing. You got the Google Maps lead extractor. Again, you can automate it with the AI agent as well, which is interesting. And you could scrape all these different platforms here, LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, that kind of thing as well. It is your proactive teammate doing the busy work to save you time, integrate your apps, perform tasks, and combine it all to create a workflow, which is interesting. You can get started with them here. Now, some of you might be saying, well, this all sounds great. I'm interested, but what is the price? We're going to check that out. So here we are on the pricing page. Now, this is not cheap. You could do the annual starter level for $99 a month, or you can do monthly for $129, 1.2 thousand credits per month, and you get some of these features down here. This gets you 125 accounts and 250 prospects, AI playbook builder, basic integrations, that kind of thing. Now for the $500 level, the Teams level, you're going to get the CRM and outreach integration, waterfall enrichment, cloud workflows, dedicated Slack channels, and 2 customer built AI playbooks. Then you have the enterprise level at $1,500 a month. And I know you're already probably like, well, this is insane. Like, is this guaranteed to generate high quality leads? Well, let me introduce you to a product that has taken the world by storm, doing it in under 15 seconds for a one-time fee. And you get everything, no hidden fees, nothing like that. We're going to dive into Lead Sniper and see how this product has blown away the competition. So let's do that right now. All right, so here we are on Lead Sniper, the most powerful Google Maps scraper. It's going to give you the power to extract fresh leads, targeted leads in seconds with the power of Google Maps and amazing data analytics. You can get it for $149. Get it for life. No hidden fees, no monthly fees, no credits, none of that stuff. $149, and you can check out the free trial should you decide you want to try it out first to see how effective it is. You're also going to get unlimited leads and that 24-hour support. If you have any queries or questions for them, they're going to answer you within a couple of hours. They have over 12,000 happy customers. Myself and my business partner are 2 of these happy customers. Look at the results. 17 million places, 17 million phone numbers, 2 million emails, 4 million social medias, 800,000 plus reviews, and they have been reviewed on Trustpilot. They got that badge, which is great. Trustpilot is awesome. Now, this is very, very seamless. It's fast. It's easy. It's intuitive. We're going to show you a demo of how amazing this software is, how quickly it works, but it's going to save you time. You're going to get that productivity boost, and you're going to be able to spend more time building your business instead of sitting around all day concentrating on trying to generate leads. But not only that, you're also going to get comprehensive data, which you can see on the screen right here, some examples of a couple of businesses that were scraped in hotels in St. John's. Look at the detail it goes to. Diverse information extraction, comprehensive contact details, and that amazing in-depth Google Maps analytics. So guys, it's a no-brainer. Get Lead Sniper today. I absolutely love it. Let's check out a demo of it right now. All right, so here we are. We're going to see how Lead Sniper works. This is super fast, under 15 seconds, thousands of quality leads. We're searching for HVAC contractors in California, 2 different regions, so let's go. All right, so as you can see, you just type in the keyword and the niche, the business and the niche, boom. Lead Sniper going to work fast. You could sit back, do whatever you want. Maybe you got to get a cup of coffee going. Maybe you got to take the kids to baseball practice. Doesn't matter. Look at how fast this scrapes. Under 15 seconds, 2,000 leads, over 2,000 leads over there. You can download it as an XLSX or CSV. But for simplicity's sake, we're using Google browser, so just drag and drop right from your Google browser, drag and drop, bang, 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 super quick, open on both sides, and look at this. Thousands of quality leads. You're gonna get the phone number, the email address, the website domain, and the physical address, and possibly the owner's contact information, all in one place on a CSV or XLSX file, and yes, it will extract to CSV. This is amazing software. It's been kicking butt in my business. I absolutely love it. Get Lead Sniper today for $149. Get it for life or get the free trial and rock.
All right, man, so that demo tells you everything you need to know about how fast and effective Lead Sniper is. Leads in under 15 seconds, thousands of them for just $149. Get it for life or try the free trial and see if it's right for you. Click the link down below, get started with Lead Sniper, and kick some butt in your business today.